Today, Robin and I are reviewing Tasty's 3-minute mug cake recipe because we want to know if it actually works, if it actually only takes 3 minutes, and if it's actually tasty.
Have you ever seen those tasty videos where they make those delicious looking foods that it looks super easy too? I'm like, could I do that? I don't know.
I know, they make it look like anyone could make the recipe in 5 seconds because they always have the overhead shot where it's just like people pouring things into a bowl, and then it turns out and it turns out perfectly.
And then they're like, oh, look, anyone can be a chef.
I'm a home chef person.
Oh.
Well, we decided to put one of those recipes to the test because we thought the same thing when we watched those videos. We were like, is that for real? Well, we decided that we would put mug cake to the test because according to Tasty, it only takes 3 minutes.
So we'll see about that.
Yeah, which I was like, 3 minutes to make a cake in your microwave? I'm sorry, is that a real thing?
Pretty good.
Yeah, what if you just got home from school or work and you were like, I just took 25 tests and I'm done and I need some cake stat. Well, this might be the recipe. So we're going to try it out. We have not tried this yet. This is literally all brand new, and we're gonna tell you if it actually works and tastes good.
Let's go.
Our 3-minute tasty mug cake. Now, Robin was confused about the time because you only cook it for like 1.5 to 2 minutes.
I was so confused because I was like, why is it called 3 minute if you only cook it for 2 minutes?
I believe the other minute is the mixing, but then you actually also have to get out the ingredients and measure them, so it's probably more like a 5-minute mug cake. We're gonna be like real specific.
We'll just round down to 3.
Yeah. So here it is, and we're going to taste. It did not explode, which we thought it was going to.
Yeah.
But it didn't, so that's good. Let's take a bite.
Oh, it's moist.
Oh, Robin hates that word, and she even said it.
Okay, ready?
Here we go. Yeah, I could eat that.
That's pretty good.
That was delicious. Well, that was delicious, and yeah, I think that Tasty got it right. The video that I watched had 4 different recipes, and I'll put a link down in the description if you want to watch that video.
Leave us a comment down below and tell us what your favorite after-school treat is.
Thanks so much for watching. Make sure and share this video and give us a thumbs up, and we will see you next time on College Kitchen.
Bye.